Greetings of the day. Hello everyone. I am Assistant Professor A. Naveen Chandra from the Department of MCA, MITS College, Madanpalli. So today's class, I am going to give summer tricks from the concept of ages. Ages sums, part 2. In part 1, we have seen a set of questions where we solve the questions in 20 seconds and less than 20 seconds. In this video also, we are going to solve the different models of ages questions in just 15 seconds. So let us see directly the first question. Let me read the question. Question number 1. Arvind's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the percentage of Arvind? So let me go directly to the options. Arvind's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. So we get some confusion how to solve this question. Let us go directly to the option number 1. What are these options for? These are options for Arvind's age. What is the present age of Arvind? Suppose Arvind's age is 5 years. After 15 years, Arvind will become 20 years. So this is equal to 5 times his age 5 years back. His age is 5 years. 5 years back, his age will be 0 years. So first option is wrong. Let us see the second option. Let Arvind is equal to 10 years. After 15 years, we should add 15. He will become 25 years. So what is telling the second part of the question? Arvind's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. So his age is 10 years. 5 years back it will be 5 years. So his age 5 times his age 5 years back is 5 into 5, 25 years. So option 2 is right answer. The present age of Arvind is 10 years. It's very simple. Just by seeing the option, we can give the answer that Arvind's age is 10 years. Let us see the next one. Question number 2. A's age is 50 years. B's age is 18 years. In how many years A will be 2 times as old as B? So I am taking A and I am taking B. A is 50 years old. B is 18 years old as he has given in the question. In how many years A will be 2 times? If I take first option 12, we can add 12 to this will become 62. We can add 12 to this will become 28, but it is not 2 times. Let me take second option, that is A is 50 and B is 18. After 14 years, A will become 64 because 50 plus 14, B will become 18 plus 14, 32, which is directly double the age. A is 2 times B, so answer B is the right option. So by saying the option, students, we can get the right answer instead of solving the question. Let us go to question number 3. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 8:5. Sum of their ages. What is the mean by sum of their ages? 8 plus 5, that is 13. Sum of their ages is equal to 39 years. So 13 parts equal to 39. That means 13 3s are 39. We all know. So what are their ages now? If you want for A, 8 into 3, 24. If you want for B, 5 into 3, 15. But he is asking what is the ratio after 9 years. So if I add 9, it will be 33. If I add 9, it will be 24. That is 3 11s are 3 8s are. 3 11s are 33. 3 8s are 24. 11 is to 8. Directly we can tell the second option. So ages 8 is to 5 ratio. The sum of the ages means 8 plus 5, 13 years. That is only equal to 39 is to, that means it is 3 times. So what will be the ratio of the ages after 9 years? So we got 3 times. So A means 8 into 3, 24. B means 5 into 3, 15. So 24 and 15. But after 9 years, we should add 9. So 24 plus 9, 33. 15 plus 9, 24. That is nothing but 11 is to 8. Option number 2. Let us go to question number 4. The students, you can observe that we are solving the questions only by checking these options, though the models of the questions are totally different. Let us see the next question, number 4. The average age of 2 daughters, Mr. and Mrs. Malik, is 15 years. So D1 is one daughter, suppose. D2 is one more daughter. Average is 15 years. Average means A plus B by 2. If you want the total age of D1 plus D2, it is 15 into 2, that is 30 years. So the average age of daughters of 2, Mr. and Mrs. Malik, is 30 years. The total age is 30 years. If Mr. Raju is added, then D1 plus D2 plus Raju. 3 members are there now. The average is becoming 20. So A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to 20. That means daughter 1 plus daughter 2 plus Raju is equal to 60 years. What is the age of Raju? So 60 minus 30, if we take 2 daughters will be cancelled, we are going to get the age of Raju, that is nothing but 30 years. Answer is 30 years, option number 3. So let us see this question once again. What we are doing here is the average age. Average means, average means making everything equal. That is, one member is 15 years, second member is also 15 years. Total of the ages will be 30 years. So 2 daughters average is 15, means total of the 2 daughters will be 30. This is step number 1. 2 daughters plus Raju, that is 3 members, average is 20, means total will be 60. So if you want only the age of Raju, 60 minus 30, that is 30 years will be the answer. Hope it is clear. So we can solve like this, students, just in 15 seconds. If you practice well, we can solve these questions in 15 seconds only. Let us see how much time we are going to take the next question. Question number 5. The average age of 10 boys in a school is 14 years. In all the average type of questions, generally what I do is, I take the total. What is the total age? What is the total weight? Here also, 10 boys are there in a school. Their average is 14, means 10 into 14 is equal to 140 years is my total. So take the total in any type of average questions. Let us see the next one. New admission. So when new admission is there, means 10 boys will become 11 boys. But what happened to their average? A new admission brought down their age. What age? Average age. By how many years? 1 year. So it will become 11 into 13 now. See, one student is added, plus 1. Average decreased by 1, minus 1. 10 into 14, 140. 11 into 13, 143. Now if you want the age of the new person, new recruit, means 143 minus 40, that is nothing but 3 years. So what we are doing in the question, only 2 multiplications, 10 into 14, 11 into 13, and take the difference. It is very, very simple. So students, in exams, you can solve these questions in such easy methods. Let us go to question number 6. Sum of present ages of ABC. So there are 3 persons ABC whose sum A plus B plus C is equal to 72 years. Suppose your age is 20 years now. 5 years back, how much it will be? 20 minus 5, 15. Suppose my age is 50 years. 5 years back, how much I will be? 45. That means we have to decrease 5 years. Here also in the same question, 4 years ago. 4 years ago, what happened? For A, I must decrease 4 years. For B, I must decrease 4 years. For C, I must decrease 4 years because age is common for all. Age is common for all the students. We have to decrease equally. So here also 72 minus, I'm going to take this 12 years for A minus 4, for B minus 4, for C minus 4. I'm going to get 60 years. So the sum of the ages 72. 4 years ago, the ages were in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. So these are only the ages of the three persons. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. This is 6 parts. This is 60 years. That means one part if you want, 6 tens are 60. So one part equal to 10. If I want A, I will take 10. If I want B, I will take 20. If I want C, I will take 30. For in the present age of A is asking, he is not asking their age 4 years ago, he is asking the present age. So immediately what I should do, this is 4 years back, we got A is equal to 10. Now A will become 14 years. I think it's clear. Some students generally in this aptitude test, what they do is, whenever we find can't find, whenever we have none of this as the answer, immediately directly they go and tick none of these, or cannot find the answer, they will click it. But don't do like that. In aptitude, we cannot guess the answers. We have to solve the questions, and directly we cannot see the question and guess the answer. Some students might be going for can't find the answer, or they'll go for none of these sometimes. Don't do like that. Hope it is clear now. What I did is, sum of the ages is 72. I decreased 12 years because for each person's 4 years it became 60 now. But he is telling the ages 4 years ago were in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 10, 60. 1 part equal to 10. If you want A, it is 10. B, 20. C, 30. So he's asking what is the present age of A? I should add plus 4. That will become 14 years. Hope the question is clear. Let me go to question number 7. Some students, by saying the question, wow, the question seems to be very difficult, I cannot answer it, they'll just go and tick some tick mark here. Don't do like that. Let us understand the question. At the time of marriage, a man was 6 years eldest to his wife. We can understand that there is one man and he is married, he is having one wife. At the time of marriage, a man was 6 years elder to his wife. What is the age of wife? We don't know. 12 years after their marriage, he became 6 by 5 times the age of the wife. After 12 years of marriage, this man became 6 by 5 times the age of the wife. Suppose the wife is 50, he'll become 6 by 5 into 50, that is 60 years. Like this way, calculate. Now let us see what was the wife age at the time of marriage. So first what I'll do, what is the question? This question is what is the wife's age at the time of marriage? Immediately I'll go to the options. 16 years, 17 years, 18 years, 20 years are nothing but options for wife's age at the time of her marriage. So let me take directly option number 1. Suppose wife is 16. Option number 1. A man is 6 years older. So 16 plus 6, man will become 22. But 12 years after marriage, add again one more 12. This will become 4. This will become 34. We should add for wife also 12 years. This is 28. Because age is common for all. If you add for a man, we should add for the wife. If you remove for a man, we should remove for the wife equally. Now, is 34 6 by 5 times. See here, this is 5, this is 34. We cannot cancel immediately without solving. I'll tell first option is not correct. 6 by 5, I cannot get. Immediately if we take 17, let us check. Now wife is, now once I'll use this eraser and go for next option. We are going for second option in the same way. Let us see this. What is that second option? Man and wife. Wife is 17 years. Man is 6 years elder. 17 plus 3. Sorry, 17 plus 6. 23. Okay. Here wife is 17. Second option. Man is 6 years elder. 23. 12 years after their marriage means I should add 12. It'll become 5, 35. And here also I should add 12. This will become 29. Okay. Each age is 6 by 5 times. So if we take 35,